Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just looking at Ethereum here. Looking like it's had a very nice renaissance off that low, hasn't it? And you can see we are starting to break out of some key levels of structure. As we've said before, you can see here resistance, and looking like now we have actually broken out of this resistance with a bit of volume, and looking like we are just currently, chopping it sideways with a bit of, lower volume at the very least over the past few days. Basically just having a little bit of a retracement, coming back down. Looking like we've got nicely above our EMAs as well. Bullish EMA flip followed by in confluence with the breakout of that resistance, and looking like we might be coming back up to target at the top, we would say, of this range at the very least at around that $1,700, $1,800 level. You'd say realistically there, wouldn't you? That $1,800 level there, a very key resistance in our opinion. I mean, realistically you could say maybe the range is more like this. If I can actually select my box, realistically you could say the range may be looking something more like this, maybe, which would potentially make a bit more sense, I suppose. Range high, range low, range high, and then obviously highs and lows like this. But we do think this key level here, obviously this false breakout we saw for a lot of cryptos, and realistically we do think that the resistance here is probably more of a key level for Ethereum, as it has been tested multiple times. Support, resistance, false breakout. You can see this is probably maybe a head and shoulders formation that we saw for Ethereum here. We come back down, but we actually come down and retrace to this key level here, don't we, where this previous swing high resistance flipped into support, and you can see maybe just starting to see the start of a trend reversal for most cryptos, including Ethereum here, where you come down, you make your low, we've got that higher high or at least an equal high, you would say. We come up, make a higher low, and then obviously if we come up here and at least retest this level at around that $2,200 area, that would be another higher high, wouldn't it? So you'd have your higher highs and higher lows trend reversal, and then it'd be interesting to see what happened if that was the case. But as we've said for basically every crypto right now, until we see a clean breakout of this range in either direction, upwards or downwards, then we're still just in a range going sideways. But so far so good, looking like we are breaking out of some key levels of bear market structure right now, at the very least to continue going sideways and building some momentum, maybe back to the upside over the next few months. So keeping it very short and sweet in terms of targets, you can see Ethereum breaking out here. We would expect the top of the range to be retested again at 1,800. Although, that $2,000 level up here, always on the cards to be retested as well. We do really want to see Ethereum coming up towards this big bear market resistance at around that 2,150 level. As you can see, resistance, and we do want to see it coming back up here. And if that was the case, we'd have a higher low, higher high, retest that resistance, retrace, higher low, and then maybe get that breakout continuation to the upside, which would obviously be really good to see, wouldn't it? So as we've said with all cryptos, Ethereum doing what it needs to do right now. If we do roll over again here, we could backtest that previous resistance as support in and around that $1,400 level area like this before getting a bounce. Or if we do roll all the way down, we'd probably expect this swing low here at 1,250, to be tested. So just a quick look at the fibs from the high to the low, and you can see here we've got some decent confluence for these levels. Ethereum came up here, got stuck under the $2,000-ish area along with that 0.50, came back inside the range, came down, retested this area at the 0.23 as support. Now looking like we want to come back up to the top of the range. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.